Welcome, today I am with Google Pixel 6 and I would like to show you the best, the most useful options that you can find in the camera on the smartphone. So let's open the camera, and at the first we are going to start from the settings. After that we are going to move to the modes like camera, portrait or video. So to enter the settings you have to just tap right here and go for the more settings. At the first we can enable to save our currently location. So when you enable this feature, and also be sure that location is activated on our smartphone, you can make it by opening this quick panel. If you don't have here location, you can drag it, by the way. So as you can see, in my case, location is activated. So right now, when you take photo and go for the details, we'll find the exact location where this photo was taken. As you can see, that's it. We can use Google Maps to go and navigate back for the same place. Okay, and right now when you scroll down, we can also set up the volume key action. Currently is set up on the shutter. So when I press volume up or down button, I can take photo. Take a look. If you want to switch this option, for example, you want to use zooming, you can just pick zoom or just turn it off, you can decide. Honestly, I always use this option as a zoom, and just take a look how great it works. So for example, I'm gonna grab here this QR code here and let me zoom by pressing volume up button. As you can see, we can smoothly zoom to the 7 times and zoom out also to the ultra wide lens. That looks really nice, honestly, and I can recommend you this option to set it up as the zoom on the volume keys. Okay, right now there's nothing interesting in the advanced, but in this place we can activate the grid lines. Let's go for the 3x3 for example, and as you can see, the grid lines appears on the screen right now, and basically they help us to take better composition on the photos, as you can see like on this plan. When you scroll down, we can also activate white balance and exposure. That's manually controls that you can use on the photos, so take a look. When you're on the photo mode and just click on the screen, you can adjust the temperature by using this slider on the left side, and let's put it like that to the normal temperature. And we can also adjust the contrast by using this slider, and the brightness level you can increase or decrease, so you can quickly boost your photos to look a little bit better. I would like to set it up, for example, like that. Bang. Okay, right now let me just reset to the defaults. Okay, and when you enable also this icon here, you can add a short delay to your shutter, so we can take photo after 3 or 10 seconds. Let's pick 3 seconds, tap on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. Bang, there it is. The photo was taken, and I think that's all from the photo mode, from the settings that you can find in the photo modes. Maybe you can also enable the top shot. If you don't know what it is, what is going on with the top shot, you can just simply tap on this information icon, and here you get the great preview of this option. It works, the same like the live photo on the iPhone or iOS devices. Okay, when you are in the video mode, when you just click on the screen, you can adjust also the temperature and the brightness level, and here you can change the video stabilization. You can also move to the slow motion video, where you can change the time of the slow motion, and when you go for the time lapse you can make the same, so change the speed of the time lapse. I forgot about one thing when you are in the camera mode. When you click and hold on your screen, let me just grab this Logitech mouse. When you click and hold, you will open this feature from the Google Lenses, so you will make the online search for the product that you want to find. So in my case there's this mouse that we can find more information on the online. Of course, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, because when you are offline, this option will be not activate. That's very obvious, right? And in the more modes we can find Photosphere or panorama mode. You know, the Photosphere is, you know, this 3D option. We have to start from the circle right here, but I don't know, it's the best idea to show you how it works on the video, because we get only view from the top. So when I put my phone like that in this position, you don't see a lot of things, right? But let me just the short preview of this option. So I'll try to make it like that. Click on the shutter and okay, that looks terrible, so I cannot show you how it works, but you know, that's very simple. You basically have to aim on all of these dots that you can find around you, all of these dots, circles, however you call it. So you have to keep just aiming like that, and you can make, you know, the photo of everything that is around you. It will be like 3D photo. Of course, it looks, you know, like it's some kind of the bug or something like that. But when you go for the autoplay and finish all the photos, it will be looks definitely better, as you can see right here on the preview. So basically that's all the best and useful tricks that you can find in the Google Pixel camera. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.